When you're responsible for critical inventory, equipment, and data at locations that aren't manned 24/7, a remote monitoring system is essential. The WSG30 is a monitoring, alarm, and event logging system with wireless sensors for locations where it's difficult or cost-prohibitive to run wires to sensors. You can monitor temperature, power failure, humidity, moisture, and other critical conditions. You can be assured that freezers and refrigerators are constantly running within the set temperature range. You can verify that the conditions in your shop or factory are okay while you're away. The WSG30 accepts 30 different wireless sensors positioned as far as 300 feet away. We offer sensors for monitoring everything from power and security to climate conditions like humidity and temperature. Additional interface sensors are available to communicate with third-party sensors and equipment. The WSG30 is easy to use. When prompted, it will automatically scan for, locate, and configure sensors, so you can begin to monitor conditions immediately. The network ensures that each wireless sensor is charged and operational, notifying you if a sensor has exceeded its 3-year battery life or fails for any other reason. When conditions exceed set parameters and trigger an alarm, the WSG30 system sends an alert. The system notifies up to 32 people via email, text message, or SNMP through a standard Ethernet connection or optional Wi-Fi connection. You can program, adjust, and monitor the status of the sensors through the WSG30 website. The system's data logging feature enables you to record up to 67,000 time-stamped records. The units come with a plug-in power supply that also monitors for power failures. A built-in rechargeable battery backup means the system will keep monitoring for 2 hours after a power failure. And best of all, there are no monthly fees. Once you purchase the WSG30, it stays on duty without any ongoing costs to you. So you can rest assured that your location is safe.